Noor from Nigeria.
Assalamu alaikum, ya Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you doing, ya Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great.
MashaAllah. So, ya Sheikh, my question is, I heard someone saying that so the entire lineage of the Prophet, there was no idol worshippers. So he said in Surah Maryam, where Prophet Abraham was saying, Ya Abati, he was speaking to his father, that it wasn't actually his father, it was his uncle he was addressing. So is this you, ya Sheikh? Can you please address it? Jazakallah khairan.
I don't know of anyone claiming that the predecessors of the Prophet ﷺ had never worshipped idols. His grandfather worshipped idols. His father worshipped idols. So I don't know where this friend of yours got this piece of information, which is definitely not true. And this is the biggest problem that people have nowadays when they seek knowledge from ChatGPT or from Google, not knowing that Islamic knowledge is not learnt from such unreliable sources. What you may have heard was the lineage of the Prophet ﷺ, the predecessors of the Prophet ﷺ were never the result of adultery or fornication. So since the time or the beginning of time, all those who came, the forefathers of the Prophet ﷺ, were legitimately married, and none of them resulted in birth of wedlock. So most likely this is what you've heard, but you mixed apples with oranges, and that's why you have cocktail.